Not too much rain today. The First 1.5 Doppler network over the last few hours just showing a couple of showers still left. We've had little quick moving showers going north across the valley today, but nothing really widespread. You see right now just a couple of showers left, mainly in northern Hidalgo County near San Ysidro and Robertson. So a couple of little showers still possible before sunset, and then after that mainly just partly cloudy skies or mostly cloudy skies overnight. Tomorrow's the day when we're looking for, it might be one of the hottest days of the week. We should be maybe a little hotter than today. Partly sunny most of the day, but you might see a brief shower or thunderstorm again in the afternoon, sort of like today. Most of the time, though, those kind of dry and partly sunny and temperatures back in the 90s, but the humidity still up pretty high tomorrow will make it feel closer to 100 or maybe a little hotter in the afternoon, and still in the 80s later in the evening. But I think after tomorrow, we could start to maybe drop temperatures a little bit by midweek. You see tomorrow, though, could even be close to 100 if we get enough sunshine in Starr County, but mid to upper 90s in many areas and closer to 90 closer you get to the coast. So a warm, muggy day tomorrow, but things could change, especially by late in the weekend with a fairly strong cold front. But the short term is still looking pretty warm and sticky again tomorrow. A couple little showers offshore and scattered around the area. If you are going north of the valley later tomorrow, maybe if you're taking a road trip or some flights up in central northern Texas, there could be some bigger storms moving eastward across central northern Texas, kind of with where you see this line, the storm starting as a weak cold front moves through there. So future track, though, for us shows, it tries to show a couple more showers surging in late in the evening. I think this might be overdone, but most of the shower activity, what few there are, should be done by about 8 p.m. After that, dry weather tonight, and then tomorrow, most of the day looks dry. Future track doesn't have much rain tomorrow, but I still think there's enough moisture and maybe heat for a couple showers or storms in spots in the afternoon, sort of like today. And then, so maybe a spotty shower or two around. And then by Wednesday, could see an increase in the rain chances. There is a weak front rolling in, not a really strong one, but it could pop off a few showers or storms in the midday and afternoon hours. And that front should roll through by Wednesday evening. So again, watch out for maybe a few more showers or storms. Might be a few quick heavy downpours on Wednesday, a little more active potentially than today or tomorrow. So Wednesday could be a day you might get caught in some rain in the afternoon. Behind the front, though, the model's not showing it, maybe totally clearing out. I think this might be a little excessive on the rain chances, but there might be a shower or two left over on Thursday. But I think most of the rain will be south of us, and just a little bit of drier, cooler air will try to come in. Not a big drop in the humidity, but some, may feel a little more refreshing. 20% chance for rain tomorrow, 40% on Wednesday, back down to 20% or maybe less by Thursday coming up. Now, when you look at the tropics, we have in the tropics, Hurricane Michael still out there. Winds are 80 miles per hour. This is formed, but will move north toward Florida. So you watch the track. It takes it toward the Florida coast Wednesday morning. Too far away to do much to our weather besides kick up the surf a little bit at the island and give us a high risk of rip currents. But this could be a big rainmaker anywhere from northern Florida through North Carolina. Then it moves back out to sea. At our coast, again, some higher surf later tonight, Tuesday into Wednesday and early Thursday morning, and a higher risk of rip currents. So the first 1.570 forecast. A couple things here to point out. We have Wednesday and probably Sunday as some decent rain chances. Otherwise, highs stay mostly in the 90s. A small drop in the humidity on Thursday and Friday. But notice next week, that's not a typo. We'll talk about this next half hour. A big drop in temperatures. We'll have that for you coming up in about 20 or 30 minutes. Stay tuned.